Okay, I wanted to go ahead and record this video just to show you how easy it is to fix these beams to 60. And it's also the same for the rest of the beams. They're basically three different components. The ballast, well, the first of all, it's the power supply going to the ballast, and then the ballast to the light bulb. There's a few other parts in between it, but I mean, it's pretty easy. If the light bulb's out, it could be the light bulb is out, or the ballast, or the power supply. But in this case, I believe we figured out this one about the part already. You can get them on eBay or whatever. Here you can see the part number. Right there, it's a 10R, 260 watts. Matches that, 260. And all we're going to do is just go ahead and get in there and replace it. And it's all right here down at the bottom. These two screws are, it's probably going to be the one in the back. This is the front. So we're going to go ahead and get those screws out. There's a few like those screws that go on the back. See right there. So we just want to first make sure that we check to see that it is the one that doesn't work. So there are two of them. Actually booting up. I apologize, I'm working outside and as you can see, the light doesn't turn on, so there's a problem. But we already know what the problem is, so I just want to kind of show you. And the best thing, these are such a high power. I mean, you can get probably a multimeter that can handle it, just kind of test it, to see if it. But it's best just to, if you're going to be fixing these, to have these in stock. If you're going to be fixing them yourself, so you can test them out, or if you have a good one, you can switch out the parts, those three parts, until you find out the problem, and then just order it online. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next stage right here and open it up. All right. Turns out that it's going to be the ballast. So this is the part that comes in the plastic bag. So we'll go ahead and put it on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. One of the things you want to make sure is to go ahead and turn these off before we start working on it. Because one thing that moves around could be setting sound and be moving, so we turn it off. And it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, I'll go ahead and remove the screws. I'll show you how many screws there were. Just so you can kind of see the old one. This is the old one here. This is the new one. Made it look a little bit different, but as long as the connections are right, the new technology might be a little bit different, but this is a newer model and it'll work. Okay, got the same little connection on the new one that it had on the old one. Just flipped. This one's on the outside, this one's on the inside. It'll still work. Okay. One thing I'm going to go ahead and just let you know right there. We're going to remove this back plate to make it easier. You can do it, but it's a lot easier if you just remove this back plate so you can connect that one cable. I got a big hand, so it was just two bolts and it'll come right out. All right. Okay, here's what it looks like with the back removed. I got plenty of room right there to connect it, so let's go ahead and get it going. Okay, so now we've got everything connected back, and the front's also connected. So we're going to go ahead and put the plate back, those two screws there. All right, and then we'll turn it on just to test it before we actually put it back together, just in case we have to troubleshoot a little bit more. But anyways, let's do that. Okay, now the screws are back in. We'll go ahead and do a little test. Turn this off first. Plug that back in, turn it back on. Turn this around, moment of truth. Resetting. You see that the light is turning on. It's a good sign. And there she is. She's already proven to be on, working. Easy fix, easy peasy. Anybody can do it. Don't be afraid. Whoa. Yep. So now all we're going to do is go ahead and close it up, get it ready for the customers so they can come pick it up tomorrow. All right, thank you.